Hello my students, grade 3, how are you? Today we'll explain from your book, volume number 1, first term in this year 2026. We will talk about multiplication and division from your book. Open with me the book about first page, Envision mathematics. We will talk about tables 2, understanding multiplication and division of whole numbers. Look at with me about page number 1. Open the book with me. Topic number 1, understand multiplication and division of whole numbers. We know the sign here, multiplication and division. Today we will review first, okay? First page number 2, review what you know. Like this, we will review all questions which we studied before, okay? Vocabulary, add, subtract, skip, count, once. Choose the best form or the best term from the box and write it on the blank. If you combine different size groups to find how many in all, you must add. Write it here. Number 2, space are groups of single object. We can write here once. When you say the number 5, 10, 15, 20 will contain skip count, okay? Skip count. Students, here is the answer by right hand side. We have 8 once, skip count. You combine two different size groups, find how many in all you get. Once are groups of single objects. When you say the numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, you call the skip count. You must solve this example by yourself. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 10. 7 plus 7 equal 14. You must know this fact of doubles. Doubles the fact, you know it. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 3 equal 9. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 equal 10. Okay, this is the answer here. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal 18 plus 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 6 equal 18. And also 9 plus 9 equal 18. 18 plus 9 equal 27. Then we must write here 27. And subtracting, you can solve the example subtracting here about this question. 21 minus 7. Who can tell me 21 minus 7? We can put 1 from left hand side to find the answer. Look at here. 21 subtract 7. We know 1 minus 7, we can do it. So you must put 1. For this example, 21 subtract by 7. 1 minus 7, we can't do it. So you must put 1 from left hand side. 2 will be 1 and 1 will be 11. 11 minus 7, just after 7, 10, 11. Just after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the remainder will be 4 and then write 1. And the difference between them equal 14. And what about 15 minus 5? 15 minus 5 equal 10. We can count before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Then 15 minus 15 equal 10. Or you can write 5 minus 5 equals 0 and then write 1. The result will be 10. Okay, understood? 27 subtract by 9. Who can tell me the answer here? We know 7 minus 9, we can't do it. So you must put 1 from 2. 2 will be 1 and 7 will be 17. Count from 9 to 17. Just after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Zone. So we have 8 fingers. And then the answer will be 18. Okay. And what about this example? 18 subtract or minus 9. Count from 9 to 18. Just after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the remainder will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the answer here will be 9. Understood? Now, number line. If you continue use the sum pattern, what will be the next number? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the number will be 8. 8 all the time 2. Okay, then the answer here will be 8. Choose the first one about solution. Okay, understood? Okay, next page number 2. Okay, now we will ask you about multiplication and division. This page was review. Open with me this page And this question, he asked about what this page, lesson number 1, relate multiplication and addition. Myth, we put 4 boxes of paint with 5 jars of paint in each box. Miss Carp put 3 boxes of paint with 6 jars in each box. How put more jars of paint? How many more? We can find the difference. First, we can find the product between two numbers. Miss Wheat put 4 boxes of paint with 5 jars. Write 4 multiplication by 5. To find the number of boxes of paint with 5 jars of paint in each box, we can find the number of total of jars. 4 times 5 equal 20, because he asked about who put more jars. So you must find jars number 1 and jars number 2. Jars number 1 for Miss Wheat, 4 boxes of paint with 5 jars of paint in each box. So you can write 4 times 5. We have 1, 2, 3. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. In each one we have 3. We have what? We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. You can skip, okay? It's the number of jars with Miss Wheat. And how many jars with Miss Carp? Miss Carp has 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. And put in each one 6 jars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we can write here 3 product by 6. We can write 6 plus 6 plus 6, or 6, 12, 18. And the total number will be here 18. We know 20 is greater than 18. Okay, 20 is greater than 18. Then we can find the difference. He asked about who put more Miss Wheat. Miss Wheat is more. We can write Miss Wheat. Miss Wheat put more. Miss Wheat put more, okay? And the difference between them, we can find the difference between two numbers. Here, these two difference, right? 20 subtract by 18. Then the difference between them equal 2. 20 minus 18 equal 2. Then the difference between equal 2 jars. Okay? Understood this example? So I will give you the answer again. Look at here, left hand side. Here, the answer. You can show your work here. Okay, write the answer here. Next question. You can use continuous bar diagram drawing to find the result. Okay, I do here objects to find the answer. Okay, as anything you can draw it. Look, how can you use continuous and addition equations to help solve the problems? Who can tell me? Okay, the simple answer you can write by another method. I can arrange 4 groups of 5 counters each to represent the paint mess. Wait, 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 20. I can arrange 3 orange, or 3 groups of 6 counters each to represent the paint mess carpet. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal 18. And I can compare to find who put more and find how many more by this method. Okay, you can do this method combining between two numbers and find the difference. Okay, it's answer clear here. You can write this answer in your book. Okay, this is a model answer. Okay, this short answer. Okay, understood. To find the number by multiplication or repeated addition by skip. Okay, next page. Here. How can you find the total number of objects in equal groups? We have 1, 2, 3, 3 groups here. In each one, how many? Okay, in this question, look at with me about this question here. How can you find the total number of objects in equal groups? She used 3 bags to bring home that goldfish she won and found fair. She put the same number of goldfish in each bag. How many goldfish did she win? Oh, she says I can use containers to show groups. Like this, 3 product by what? How many the number 3 bags bring? Each one should be the number of goldfish in each bag. We have 8 goldfish each. You can write 8 plus 8 3 times. We can count 8, 16, 24 by count by skip. Okay? And then the answer here. Okay, this next question or last question here in your book. This question I solved it from 2 minutes, about 4 plus 4 plus 4, the same example, never mind. But here I want to know the answer. He explains the answer here, okay? In the book, the answer was solution. We have containers show like this. These containers, we can draw 3 groups of 8 goldfish. To find the answer, 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, in each one 8 goldfish. The total number here, by using bar model, we can divide it. Our model divided it 3 parts and each part 8. 8, 16. 16 plus 8 equal 24. So the answer? The answer here is 8 plus 8 equal 24. Or you can using another method by multiplication is an operation that gives you the total number when you join equal groups. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. In each one we have 8 parts. So 3 times 8 equal 24. 3 times 8 equal 24. 3 is a factor and 8 factor because 24 can divide it by 3. 24 also can divide it by 8. Then 3 and 8 we call these the factors. And 24 products. 24 can divide it by 8 and also 24 we call this the multiple factors of the numbers that are being multiplied. The product is that answer to multiplication problem. Or third method, you have 3 methods to find the answer. Our first method by directly, you can write equations. An unknown is symbol that 8 plus 8 plus 8 equal what? We call it equation. And the unknown number here will be 24. Multiplication equation, 3 times 8 equal what? Then 3 times 8 equal 24 by using table A3. 3 times 3 equal 9, 3 times 4 equal 12, and so on to write 3 times 8 equal 24. Next question. Model with math. Suppose Joe won 5 bags of 8 goldfish. With math, to represent the problem and find the number goldfish with you in one. You can find model with math by suppose about an example. We can write here 5 times 8 equal 5 plus 5 plus 5 times. Or 8 times 5 equal 8 plus 8 plus 8 5 times. Then the result will be 5 times 8 equal 40. Okay. You can draw this model here like this part, the solution about this question. Okay, we know 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equal 40. It's equivalent 5 times 8 equal 40. Or you can draw a model like this and divide it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, and the value of each part will be 8. So 5 times 8 equal 40. 5 times 8 here, it will be 40. Okay. Next question. So this answer, raise the answer here in this page. Okay, this page 6 is answer question. Next page. Look at here about the steps. You can solve this by yourself. We have how many groups? 2 groups of how many elements in each group? We have 4 elements. 2 groups of 4. Equivalent 4 plus 4 equal 8. Equivalent 2 times 4 equal 8. Write the solution set here. We have 2 groups of 4. 4 plus 4 equal 8, then 2 times 4 equal 8. We can write 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 20. This multiplication equation explain, yes, the groups are equal because 4 times 5 equal 20. Can you write 3 plus 4 plus 7 equal 14 as a multiplication equation and explain, no, the groups are not equal. We must write equal elements in each group. 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14, no, we can't do it because these groups are not equal. So in this example, we must have equal groups to find the multiplication because the multiplication is repeated of addition. Question number 3. Here. Number 3. GC base for. Question number 3. GC base for. I will Okay, again. Question number 3. GC pays 4 packets of students. There are 6 students in each packet. How many students does GCPA use containers to represent the problem? Then write addition equation and multiplication equation to solve. We know 4 times 6 equals 6 plus 6 plus 6 3 times, or 4 times. You can find the answer. 4 times 6 equals 24. The answer here, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. 24 students. Because 4 times 6 equals 24, then the answer here we must write 24 students. We have 3 groups of 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. Then 3 times 6 equals 18. An independent practice about this example, it's very easy to solve it. We have here 2 groups. Each group contains of 5 elements. Then 5 plus 5 equals 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. Okay. These brackets, you can also question number 7. Complete 6 and 7. Question number 7, we have 5 groups. Each group contains of 4 elements. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal what? 5 times 4 equal 20. Then the answer here will be 20. In question 8 to 11, we have 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 4. 4 times 8 equals 32. And 9 plus 9 plus 9 equals 3 times 9. And 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 7 plus 3. And also 6 plus 6 plus 6, 6 repeated here 5 times. We can write 5 times 6. Okay, my students, I will explain like these questions here in this paper. Look at with me. We have here, if we write this example, 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 7 product by 3, because 7 here repeated 3 times. And what about 6? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 5 product by 6. 5 product by 6. Okay, 5 times 6 we know equal 30. The answer here will be 30 about this example. Okay, understood. Next question, problem solving. Next question, number 12. Number 12, Deborah draws this shape on the back of her notebook. What is the name of the shape Deborah draws? How do you know what's the name here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This we call the trapezium. Not trapezium. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Trapezium has 4 sides only, but this we have polygon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. We call it hexagon. Hexagon. Okay, because this polygon contains of 6 sides. Deborah draws a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertices. We call it hexagon. Okay. Question number 13. Model with math. Salvatore gets 50 trading cards for his birthday. He gives 22 cards to Middleton, and Middleton gives 18 cards to Salvatore. Then Salvatore's sisters give him 14 cards. How many trading cards does Salvatore have now? Use math to represent the problem. Okay, look at with me. We have the total number 60 cards. Simple answer about this. And then we have 50 subtract by 20 equal 28. 28 plus 18 equal 46. And 46 plus 14 equals 60. Understood this example? We will explain here, okay? To know the steps. The total number of cards was 50. Pay attention about steps, about question number 30. The total number was what? Was 60? Yes. Sylvester gets 50 trading cards for her birthday. He gives 22 cards to Madison. Okay, I will clear it. Okay, to see the question. And also the answer, I will clear it big part like this. Sylvester gets 50 trading cards for his birthday. He gives 22 cards to Madison, and Madison gave 18 cards to Sylvester. Then Sylvester's sister gave him 14 cards. How many trading cards does Sylvester have now? Use math to represent the problem. We have the total cards was 60 cards. Why? Because 50 subtract by 20. First, you can raise the total amount was 50. Look at, he has 50 cards. in his birthday. He gave his medicine 22. So we can write subtract by 22. First step, 50 subtract by 22 equal what? We know 0 minus 2 we can't do that. So you must put 1. 10 minus 2 equal 8 and 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then the number here will be 28. And also then Sylvester's sister gave him 14 cards. Then we can write 28 also 8 to 14 to find the total number. 4 plus 8 equal 12. 2 and carry a 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. In the total number it will be 42. And then how many cards does Sylvester have now? We have 24, 28, 14. Also cards. The medicine gives 18 cards to him also. Then we can write 42 also plus what? Plus 18 cards from medicine. Because medicine gave him again 18. 8 plus 2 10 0 and carry up 1 2 plus 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 4 6. And the total number equals 60. Understood? Again in this example Sylvester gets 50 trading cards for his birthday. Okay, and he gives 22 cards to medicine. Then the remainder with him will be 24. And also medicine gives 18 cards to Sylvester. And then Sylvester gives 14 cards again. And the total number will be 60. Understood? You must add 14 and 18 to find the answer. Then the total number here will be 60. Next question, number 14. Higher order thinking. Luke says, and also add, you can always multiply to join groups. Is he correct? Explain why not. Okay. Higher order about this example. Luke says, you can always add and you can always multiply to join groups. Is he correct or not? No, because I can join groups whether the groups are equal or unequal, but I can multiply to join groups only when the groups are equal. Understood? We must convert from the addition to multiplication. It's important to write equal parts to join groups only when the groups are equal. Right? Like this, 3 plus 3 plus 3. We can write 3 product by 3, but 3 plus 2 plus 3 not equal 3 times 3. So we must write equal elements in each group. Okay, I can add join group whether the groups are equal or unequal. Okay, we can find the result about addition. Sometimes the two parts or the elements equals or not equal, but I can convert from add to multiplication if all elements in each group equality, like 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 3 times 3, because 3 here repeated 3 times. And what about question 15? Louis says in addition equation where the additions are the same can be written as a multiplication equation. Is Louis correct and explain? Yes, I explain this example now. Because all the additions represent equal groups, multiplication combines equal groups. 6 plus 6, we can write 6 times 2 because we have equal elements in each group. Each group contains of 6, then 6 plus 6 equal 6 times 2. So all the additions represents equal groups, multiplication combines equal groups. Assessment practice. Question 16. That with me about question number 16. Tom has 12 ears. Look at here. Tom has 12 ears of field come to make table decorations. He arranges them in equal groups, which sentence called Tom used to describe his groups. Select all the correct. First, Tom arranged two groups of 4 ears. No. 2 times 4 equal 8. No, we have 12 ears. 12 maybe 3 times 4 or 2 times 6 because the total number was 12. And 4 groups of 2 ears. No, because 4 times 2 equal 8. 4 plus 4 8 still not answer. But you must question right. 6 product by 2 because 6 product by 2 it's equivalent 6 plus 6 equal 12. So you can choose 6 choose number third here, 6 plus 6 equal 12, or 3 groups of 4 airs. We have 3 reduced by 4 equal 12. The total number here would be 12. Okay, understood? You must check about third and fourth results, okay, about the choosing. Question number 17. Gina has 24 flowers. Who can tell me about 24 flowers? She arranged them in vase with equal numbered flowers in each vase. Question is could Jana use describes a flower select? He asked about 24. We know 24 equal 4 product by 6 equal 24, or 12 plus 12, or 2 times 12, and also 3 times 8 equal 24. And we can write also about 24 equal 24 product by 1, 3 times 8, or 8 product by 3, and also 6 times 4, or 4 times 6. The product between them equal 24. So you must choose what here. 4 times 6 equal 24. You must choose first. 3 times 9 equal 27. Don't choose 3 product by 9, because 3 product by 9 equal 27. And 6 product by 3. 3 times 6 equal 18. And also, Jana arranged 8 flowers of 3. Yes, we can write, because 8 and 3 equal 24. So the correct answer here, first one and last one. And 3 times 6 equal 18. We can't choose it. Okay. So for 24 equal 4 times 6. Jana arranged 4 flowers in each of 6 vases. And Jana arranged 8 flowers in each of 3 vases. Next page. This page 8. Okay. Next page. Lesson 2. Multiplication on the number line. We can skip count here to find the answer, like 2 times 2 started from 2, 0 to going to 4, because 2 times 2 equal 4. Okay, my students, like this, we have this number line. We call this place, or this shape here, is a number line. Start from left hand side to right hand side, 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity. Okay, we call it number line. How are her jump on the number line, like the repeated addition, and how are they like the skip count? You can skip count here. It's very easy, like multiples of 2, start from 0 to 4, and so on to going to the answer, like this. Or 3, start from 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Repeated addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, it will be 3 times 7, because 3 here added to 7 times. So it's just like repeated addition. I also could use the jumps on the number line to skip code by 3 skips. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. Next page here. We can count from 0, 0 to 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We add 3 all the time. Then 3 times 5 equal 15. Or we can write 5 times 3 equal 15. Clara needs 15 glitter beans. In this example, we want to draw the number line to find the answer. Okay, next page here, this answer. We have 21 equivalent 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 21. So last question is about 3 times 7. You remember it? No, 3 times 7 equals 21. Okay. Next question we can also answer is here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Start from 0 to going to 21. We must eat all the time 3. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, and so on. Next question. Result. What would skip counting 6 look on the number line? Who can tell me the answer here? Start from 0. So answer by this question, the number line will choose jumps with lengths of 6 units each. We want to go into 6. Start from 0 going to 6. Okay. Practice right about the next question. The previous page, look at here. On the previous page, why do you skip count by 3 on the number line? We start from 0. Each jump represents the number of glitter pins in each gift bag. You know? I skip count 3 skip to find the number of glitter plus all. Number 2, in the previous page, why do you make 5 jumps on the number line? Because we start from 0, 0, 5, 10 to get the number, and each jump represents one gift bag, and there are 5 gift bags, so I make 5 jump. Question number 3, how would the jumps on the number line look different? There were 4 pins in each gift bag. There would be 5 jumps. Jumps 4. You know, 4 times 5 equal 20. I can write here by this equation. 4 times 5 equal 20, because 4 times 5 equal 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Then the total number here will be 20. Understood? Next question, do you know? In 4, complete the row number line to choose the jump and fill in the blanks. We have 0, 3, 6, and so on. This example, he jumps what? Number of jumps to going 4 days. You asked about 4 days, then the number of jumps is 4. I skip count by 3 skip. Go 3 times 4 equal 12. Right here, 4 times 3 equal 12. Again, in this example, asked about the number of repeated 4. Then we can write 4 product by 3 equal 12. Number of jumps here, it will be 4. Okay, this answer, number of jumps 4. You can go from 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. Number of jumps 4. Then 3 times 4 equal 12, or 4 times 3 equal 12. Next question, independent practice. Here, look at this example. Judy has 60 fruit. This example here, I will clear it to be clearly with you. Okay, my students, understood this example? Okay, look at with me about this example. Judy has 60 fruit baskets. She wants to put 2 apples into each basket. How many apples will she need? Throw the remaining 9 jumps of the number line with a row to show how many apples Judy will need. Start here, we have 6. Start from 0, and the repeating will be 6. Start from 0 going to 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the answer here will be 12. Judy will need 12 apples. 12 apples, right? 12. And what about 7 times 6 times 2? 2 times 7 equal 14. Start from 0 going to 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All the time 8, 2 to find the answer. And 3 times 3, start from 0 going 0 to 3. The repeating 1, 2, 3. Going the answer will be 9. 3 to 3 equal 9. Look at about problem solving this example. Nikki wants to use 3 glass beads in each necklace. She wanted to make 6 necklaces. How many glass beads will Nikki need? Use skip counting and write multiplication equation to solve. I will write here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Repeat how many number 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6 equal 18. The total number here will be 18 bits. The number here will be 18 bits. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and then 6 times 3 equal 80. Okay. Next question, number 9. Steam. This question, Johnny bakes in the wheel, usually live in group. The group number lines, or the group members, can warn each other of danger. If there are 2 groups of 7, we can write 2 groups of 7. 2 times 7 equal 14. Then we must start from 0 going to 7, because in each group we have 7 genius pigs. 2 groups. We have 2 groups. Then 2 times 7 equal 14. Start from 0 to going to 7. 7 plus 7 equal 14. then the number will be 14 genius pigs. Question number 10 also, make sentence and preserve our term. Look at this example. Preserve. Make scenes and preserve them. This question, draw this number line to choose the multiplication factor 4 times 2. You can start from 0 and repeat it 4 times. 2, 4, 6, 8. And 4 times 2 equal 8. Which parts of number line represent the factor? Which part choose the product? The number of jumps and the length of each jump represent the factors. The number who is the last jump in the product. Question 11. Higher order thinking. Draw number line to compare skip counting by three skips 4 times. 3 times 4 equals 12. You know this. Counting by 4 skip 3 times. How are they different? We know 3 times 4 equals 12. Check students number line. Simple answer here is different. One number line choose 3 jumps. The other number line choose 4 jumps. Number lines length of 3 skip. The other number lines length of 4 skip. Like the last jump in this on the 12 on both number lines. It's meaning the end from first and second will be going to 12. 3 times 4 equals 12 or 4 times 3 equals 12. You can use here commutative properties. Practice. Which of the following context does the number line as expression 5 times 2 represent? We know 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 groups with 2 pins in each. And which of the following context does the number line that expression 5 times 3 represent? We know 5 times 3 equals 15. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. So next time I will explain new lesson.